Hello viewer, we are going to create an overlapping design of these rectangular shapes here. I have made it. Let's create another one. I have to use the shapes around it. Let's make a new design. I will go with that shapes to prepare the designs here. Make that one and paint here. So we have to use another shape like that. So here we are explore the different options.